gang, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of you really seem to enjoy my autumn-winter capsule wardrobe. I'll tag it up here with an iCard so you can click on that and watch it later. However, a month has gone by since I posted that, and we are now well into cold fall weather.
Oh, sweater weather. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Oh, God, I went. Finally, sweater weather. Sweater weather. About time. It's about time. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Finally, sweater weather. Sweater weather. Sweater weather.
So instead of another capsule wardrobe, I thought I would do a sweater edit to show you 16 pieces that I'll be wearing this autumn season. Let's get into it.
Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands. I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage. Now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans. Don't need no friends. I got my homies. Thought I could trust you. I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court. I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out. Can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice, and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Niger, he'll come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Time to run it all.
I know, I roll, 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 roll.
I know, I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
No drip.
I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
I know,
I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
no drip.
I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
I know,
This a river. I roll, roll, roll. Don't slip, I be on my 10 toes. Way she threw it at me, I'm like, whoa, whoa. Been with her since before I had a phone. I've been with the gang, we some pup-ups. Stay on top of green like a putt-putt. Acting all mean, giddy, oh. Do my own thing, so I know, I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
no drip.
I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
I know,
I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
no drip.
I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
I know,
I can chubby belly big and not eat good. Not 1, not 2, I'm talking 3 good. You move shaky, you play me, you only preach good. Tried this on me, you owe me, you should've schemed good. Now I got you alright. Hot girl summer, had to put you on nice. Talking on my ear, alright. She just want the Louis, but I got from Off-White, right? Racks under my pillow, now I sleep good. LA onto the choker so she can breathe good. And my little babies get whatever they want. If I say it, I mean it, no front. I know, I roll, roll, roll. No drip, this a river. I roll, roll, roll.
no drip.
I roll, roll, roll. No We ride Beamers, we ride Benz, 10 times 10. All my friends, this for real, till the end. Numbers on my phone, they keep calling me. Girlies at my shows, why they all on me? I don't want them, no, get them all off me. Say down for L, she a cause, you see. 4 cars deep, we'll come through on a late night. Chicken spot, wings and fries, we call that a day night. Lights on, sold out, I don't have no stage fright. Knew that I was built for this forever, ever, ever. 10 times 10, all my friends, we ride Beamers, we ride Benz, 10 times 10, all my friends, this for real, till the end. 10 times 10, all my friends, we ride Beamers, we ride Benz, 10 times 10, all my friends, this for real, till the end. Circle small can't let too many close to me. Love my brodies, they all hit the road with me. We get to that bag, now talking groceries. The blood is thin when you compare it up to loyalty. 5 steps back, never panic, no we stay right. Count that stack, I know I will always make mine. Real long nights, I've been working, know it takes time. Knew that I was built for this forever, ever, ever. In the Benz, SLS, trusting God, I don't stress. Long nights, I don't wept, but I knew that I was built for this forever, ever, ever. 10 times 10, all my friends, we ride Beamers, we ride Benz, 10 times 10, all my friends, this for real, till the end. 10 times 10, all my friends, we ride Beamers, we ride Benz, 10 times 10, all my friends, this for real, till the end. 10 times 10, all my friends, we ride Beamers, we ride Benz, 10 times 10, all my friends, it's for real, till the end. Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number 1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet.
Thank you guys so much for watching my sweater edit collection. I hope you're not too daunted by the coming cold weather and that I've given you some ideas on how to stay cozy and warm in the cold months. Let me know which look was your favorite in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video to let me know if you like more fashion content. I'd love to have you back for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!